life is quite an unpredictable phenomenon, if you ask me. You have synchronicity and serendipity. Synchronicity is when there's a correlation between mutually exclusive events or scenario, or a correspondence in event or occurrence in time. Synchronicity. Serendipity is synonymous. Is when things don't work out as we anticipated. It's like you come to America to become an actor, but you end up playing basketball and becoming famous. So things don't work out in the way in which we anticipated, but you still end up having favorable and advantageous outcomes. I found this book a couple days ago, and I found this pencil today.